Okay, are we filming? Okay, we are. Okay, let me just change my cursor because why not? I have Sophia Nigro as my cursor right now because why not? I'm just gonna do a random cursor G. You don't know. How about we do a vibe? Okay. Hello, what's up? It's me. I don't even know what my name is anymore. I'm planning on changing it, but I renewed my Animal Jam membership today after 7 years of not playing. And they came out with Arctic Foxes, and I'm really happy right now. So we're just gonna be vibing in Animal Jam because I haven't played Animal Jam in 7 years. Post in the comments, I don't know what animal you think I should have been for this video. Bro, I unlocked all of the diamond animals. There's nothing to buy anymore. I have all the cool animals. I don't have the eagle? Well, guess what we're buying today? Okay, just buy. I don't even know how much diamonds I'll have after that. 54. Pretty good amount. Okay. Let's get back into my beautiful normal form. Sit down. Yes. Slate Queen. Okay, well, just a little update. I bought every single color of the furry hat because Animal Jam came out with furry hats today. And, yeah. Let's just vibe. The thing is, I don't know what to do. Should I do trading? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do trading. Okay. One of the mount keys on my keyboard doesn't work. Okay, there we go. It's like laggy as heck. Or it's just the key on the keyboard is trying to torture me. Oh my god, wait. Okay, turn around. Turn. You know what? Let's just embrace it and dance. Recording, because why not? Recording, trading all of the colors of the furry hats. And let's just put the furry hats on trade. Okay. Boom. 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 Okay, this is getting annoying having to put all of these on. Okay, here we go. Why'd I press that? Okay. Trading all colors of furry hats. Recording also. Okay, let's just dance. Wait for people to join. Or trade me. I don't know. You want to seem chill if you're recording. Because people are going to be like, not recording. Trading all colors of furry hat also record. Okay, well, this recording ended pretty soon. I will see y'all in the next video, which will probably be posted really quickly. And, peace. Stay chill. I don't know. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy New Year.